This is one of my new projects. This Rolloff hoist is a little bit rough, but it's got a lot of potential. So what I'm going to do, it's actually still on the truck frame. They just cut the frame out and loaded it on my trailer. But she's a little banged up, but when we're all done, she's going to be decent. It's a good Rudco reeving hoist. So here we go. Now that hoist is going to go on this truck. I just bought this truck at an auction in Pennsylvania. It's a 2003 Sterling. With the Mercedes-Benz engine. Runs out really good. Has 127,000 miles on it. I have no clue of what this body was used for, other than I think maybe a spray unit. Now the body is clamped down tight, but it has a dump scissor lift underneath, which is one of the reasons I kind of liked it, because it's already got the PTO for my pump and my setup. It has a really nice heavy duty tow hitch in the back, which I'm going to keep that on the frame and integrate it into the underneath the Rolloff hoist. So all in all, she's a pretty nice truck, and I'll show you the progressive videos as we take the body off and everything else we do to it. Here's the subframe of the Rolloff hoist. I'm going to take it all off. It's actually bolted up there. Probably have to cut those drops off. And there's the rear hinge, which has got to be cut out of the frame and then refitted into the frame on the Sterling. So I'm going to take the lines off, take everything apart, take the rams off. I got the hydraulic tank off, and we'll go from there. Okay, we've got the body off of the truck now. Basically, clean up the frame, get the subframe in for the hoist, and basically set her up. This exhaust has got to come out of there, and I think what we're going to do is put a stack off the cab so everything's clear of all the hydraulics. Looks pretty good, a little bit at a time. Here is direct mount PTO. Basically what I did, I sent this out. I did pull the PTO out of the truck and sent it out, and they put this direct mount pump mount on it, so the pump will mount directly here. So, there is the pump that's going to drive this. This is going to get a single axle roll-off hoist on it. And this video will be added to the whole build. And I'll get all these bolts tightened up. So, there it is. It's all set up. Luckily, like I said, this was already set up in here. That's the cable. And there she's engaged. And disengaged. Now all I have to do is fill her up with the oil. Cool. It's getting there. Fitting up the exhaust.